Dear students, today we shall mark it in our textbook, page number 23. Please open page number 23. And yesterday we have seen how to find the words in dictionary. We have found the word monkey. Today we shall mark it compress. Compress. So please open page number 23. The main word is compress. C-O-M-P-R-E-S-S. Compress. Then the first set they have given us counter, crust, copper, crest, compare, and one more word is comprise. These are the three sets. So as I have explained to you in the previous classes, this is when you open the dictionary, the counter is the first set, and in the same page the last word will be the crust. So if one is correct, other two sets also will be correct. So compress, the first set is compress. Now let us compare the words with the main word. The first one is CO. So we can find in all three sets CO. Now here we can see one more word, M and P, which is matching with the main word, C-O-M-P. Here also it is matching, C-O-M-P. So we have to look at the next letter. If these words are matching the same, the next letter is only R and A. We have to match with these words for this set. But other set, C-O-M is common. C-O is common. M is not there. So we have to match with the M. First let us look at these two sets. So that is C-O. Here also it is there, C-O, C-O. So what is the third letter now? Third letter is not matching to these two sets. So let us mark now M. What is the main letter now? M. So we have written from A to Z. So let us mark M. This is the M. This is the main letter of M. Now let us see. In first set, we can see what is the third letter? U. What is the third letter? U. Let us mark U. So this is the U. Now let us mark P. Let us mark P. This is the P. So dear students, as I have taught you, I told you the letters from the main letter should not cross the other letter and go. Now you see, this is the main letter of M. So if any word we are finding means it should be before M. If example M, so it should be, we should be found before M. It is not the after M. P also we have underlined and this is the after M. And we have underlined U also and this also after the M. So if the words are after that, then these are wrong. So this P also, U also. So in this both are not matching because this M से ये दोनों words पार हो गया. So इसलिए ये दोनों match नहीं होता. Only this word is matching. Now let us see how this word will also match. C-O-M-P. So these four letters are matching to this word. C-O-M-P. So we have to match only with the now next letter. What is the next letter? Here R. Now let us mark. Now let us mark. This is the R. We are marking the R. Then in the last set, what is the fifth letter? That is the A. So we can see here A. So here we can see R and you can see here A. So A is R से क्रॉस करके नहीं गया, उसका पहले है. So that's way this set is R. This set is matching to the main word compress. So this set is closer to this word. Compress is, compare is closer to the compress because this other two letters are crossed M and went. So that's why this both sets are wrong. Dear students, I hope you understand this. So as well as you mark in your textbook too. While you are learning, I want you to learn the words, each word, spelling as well as the meaning. Write it in your notebook and send me the voice message.